Namaskar, Khushro Bitia. Myself, JVN Dr. Pramila Kazla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today, our topic is Tract of Spinal Cord, Part 1. Ascending tract of spinal cord. Ascending tract of spinal cord carries the impulse of various sensation to the brain. Pathway for each sensation is formed by two or three group of neuron, which are first order neuron, second order neuron, and third order neuron. White column tract. Anterior white column. In anterior white column, there is anterior spinothalamic tract, and lateral white column, there is lateral spinothalamic tract, ventral spinocerebellar tract, and dorsal spinocerebellar tract. Spinotactal tract, fasciculus dorsolateralis, spinoreticular tract, spinoolivary tract, and spinovestibular tract. In posterior white column, there is fasciculus gracilis, fasciculus cuneatus, and coma tract of Serge. Anterior, so first of all discuss about anterior spinothalamic tract. Anterior spinothalamic tract is formed by fiber of second order neuron of pathway for crude touch sensation. Situation: anterior spinothalamic tract is situated in anterior white funiculus near the periphery origin. Fiber of anterior spinothalamic tract arise from the neuron of chief sensory nucleus of posterior gray horn, which form the second order neuron of crude touch pathway. Termination: fiber of anterior spinothalamic tract terminate in the ventral posterior lateral nucleus of thalamus. Neuron of this thalamic nucleus form the third order neuron of the pathway. Fiber from thalamic nucleus carry the impulse to somesthetic area, sensory cortex of cerebral cortex. Function: anterior spinothalamic tract carries impulse of crude touch, protopathic sensation. Lateral spinothalamic tract. Lateral spinothalamic tract is formed by fibers from second order neuron of pathway for the sensation of pain and temperature. Situation: lateral spinothalamic tract is situated in the lateral white column medial side, that is near the gray matter origin. Fiber of lateral spinothalamic tract take origin from two sources: marginal nucleus and substantia gelatinosa of Ronaldo. Course: lateral spinothalamic tract has cross fiber axon from marginal nucleus and substantia gelatinosa of Ronaldo cross the opposite side and reach the lateral column of same segment. Termination: fiber of lateral spinothalamic tract terminate in the ventral posterolateral nucleus of thalamus. Function: fiber of lateral spinothalamic tract carry impulse of pain and temperature sensation. Fiber arising from this marginal nucleus transmit impulse of fast pain sensation. Fiber arising from substantia gelatinosa of Ronaldo transmit impulse of slow pain and temperature sensation. So in this diagram, you can see in red line there is anterior spinothalamic tract and blue line is lateral spinothalamic tract. This anterior spinothalamic carry pain sensation, cross in spinal cord and then ascending. These both are ascending tract. This is posterior tract and this is lateral, comes in lateral and ascend upward. Third one is ventral spinocerebellar tract. Ventral spinocerebellar tract is also known as Gower tract, indirect spinocerebellar tract, or anterior spinocerebellar tract. It is constituted by fibers of second order neuron of pathway for subconscious kinesthetic sensation. Situation: this tract is situated in lateral white column of the spinal cord along the lateral periphery origin. Fiber of this tract arise from marginal nucleus in posterior gray horn. Neuron of marginal nucleus form the secondary order nucleus. Termination: these fiber terminate in the cortex of anterior lobe of cerebellum. Function: function is important of every tract. Ventral spinocerebellar tract carries the impulse of subconscious kinesthetic sensation, that is proprioceptive in pulses from muscles, tendon, joints. Impulses of subconscious kinesthetic sensation are also called non-sensory impulses. So in this diagram, you can see dorsospinocerebellar tract and ventral spinocerebellar tract. Both tract terminating cerebellum, and dorsospinal tract enter in cerebellum from inferior peduncle, and ventral spinocerebellar tract enter in cerebellum from superior peduncle. So ventral spinothalamic tract arise from marginal nucleus, and this dorsospinal tract arise from Clark nucleus. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.